Hi everyone, Mike Stuchiner, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods. And today's video is going to be on answering the question, what makes collagen protein so unique? But before we get started, let me give you our health disclaimer. The information you're about to receive is for educational purposes only, is not intended to treat, prescribe, and diagnose any specific or general medical conditions, is not to be used as a substitute for your primary healthcare provider's diagnosis, treatment plan, or medical information. With that said, let's begin. So, what makes collagen protein so unique? Well, when considering what supports the thriving human body, carefully looking at what nourishes our structural foundation is absolutely essential. The foundation of the human structure is a perfect creation of bones, joints, ligaments, cartilage, tendon, and muscles. These moving parts have been strategically created to support one another in optimizing movement, agility, and strength to protect our anatomy and physiology. In simple terms, it is to support us for optimally not just surviving, but for thriving. Unfortunately, as we age, these essential parts eventually wear down, and collagen contains some unique compounds that are found in no other food. These attributes make collagen a genuinely fantastic food and traditionally considered foundational for what ails us. In order to answer this very specific question of what makes collagen protein so unique, it's vital to understand what exactly collagen is and what its functions are. So let's first discuss the breakdown and function of collagen. Collagen is a protein the body produces that supports the structure and function of hair, skin, nails, cartilage, bones, blood vessels, and connective tissue. It's the human body's most abundant protein, which represents 35% of its dry weight. It is made up of 19 essential and non-essential amino acids and 3 chains wound into a tight helix, each one containing 1,400 amino acid long. In other words, the helix is 1,400 amino acids long, okay? Collagen is primarily made up of the amino acids glycine, which is about 33% of the total, hydroxyproline and proline, which make up 22% of the total collagen. While there are technically 28 types of collagen that differ based on molecular assembly, cellular components added, and where the collagen is used in the body, there are 5 primary types. Type 1 makes up 90% of your body's collagen and is densely packed to provide structure for your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Type 2 is found in elastic cartilage and gives cartilage strength and elasticity and provides joint support. It supports the binding process with the help of a glycoprotein that plays an essential role in tissue repair and other collagens. Type 3 is a significant extracellular matrix component found in muscles, arteries, blood vessels, and organs. Specific to tissues with large portions of elastic fiber, type 3 collagen also interacts with platelets in blood clotting cascades and is an essential signaling molecule in wound healing. Type 4 is the primary component of what is known as basement membranes, which are thin layers of extracellular matrix that form supportive structures found in layers of your skin, forming basically the skin's backbone. And type 5 is a specific form of collagen that's essential in forming collagen fibers of types 1 and 3 collagen, optimal for the formation and quality of tissue. Type 5 collagen contributes to bone matrix, interstitial matrix of muscles, lung, liver, and placenta. Next, let's review some of the attributes of what is known as hydrolyzed collagen. It's critical to understand that hydrolyzed collagen may go by several other names, like collagen hydrostat and collagen peptides. All collagen, by definition, is technically hydrolyzed, but there are different levels of this process. There's partially and there's fully hydrolyzed. For example, gelatin is partially hydrolyzed and collagen peptides are fully hydrolyzed. Hydrolyzed collagen is, by definition, a denatured protein. Now, to understand what hydrolyzed collagen is, it's also essential to understand this specific process. Hydrolyzed collagen is created through hydrolysis, a process where water molecules rupture the chemical bond, and there are various methods to complete this process and produce hydrolyzed collagen. Next, let's talk about the difference between gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen. This comparison is about something other than which form is specifically better. It is for clarification so you understand these raw materials, their uses, and their applications. As mentioned a little bit earlier, gelatin is a partially hydrolyzed collagen because it does not go through the critical step of being broken down by enzymes. Partially hydrolyzed gelatin also has what's known as a higher molecular weight, making it soluble only in hot water, and it actually solidifies in cold water. While this makes a superior ingredient as a thickening agent in things like soups and stews and and desserts, it is also excellent for making products like gummies. However, some might consider this form of collagen less versatile. You may also know this raw material by its other name, Jello, Jello. And as your mother used to tell you, there's always room for Jello. Fully hydrolyzed collagen, aka collagen peptides, is soluble in both hot and cold liquids and is highly versatile. In simple terms, gelatin is the cooked form of collagen, and hydrolyzed collagen is gelatin that has been more highly processed to break up the protein chains for better absorption. So, what is the difference between the different sources of collagen? In simple terms, this comes down to the animal form which the collagen is sourced from. It's essential to understand that while each source primarily contains an abundance of one or two specific types, all these different sources have tiny amounts of a wide range of collagen types. But to make this simple for you to understand, I'm going to break this down. So beef bone collagen is primarily made up of types 1 and 3. Chicken is primarily made up of type 2, and marine sources are primarily made up of type 1. Now I'm going to go a little bit deeper for you guys when it comes to these three sources. Chicken collagen, as just stated, is made up of type 2 collagen, or primarily made up of type 2 collagen, found in elastic cartilage, which gives cartilage strength and elasticity and provides joint support. It supports the binding process that helps the glycoproteins that play an essential role in tissue repair and other collagens. This type of collagen is derived from chicken sternum cartilage. In simple terms, type 2 collagen is a peptide and component of joint collagen. Type 2 collagen can be found as hydrolyzed or undenatured. Beef collagen is a good portion of the market's hydrolyzed peptide collagen products that come from beef bones, unless of course otherwise noted on the label, and are a quality source of both type 1 and type 3, as mentioned a little bit earlier on. Type 1 makes up 90% of your collagen's body, your body's collagen, and is densely packed to provide structure for your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Type 3 is a significant extracellular matrix component found in muscles, arteries, blood vessels, and organs, specific to tissues with large portions of elastic fiber. Type 3 collagen also interacts with platelets in blood clotting cascades and is essential signaling molecule in wound healing, which are all things I already mentioned, but I'm re-mentioning it because I want to put it specifically in perspective with beef collagen. Marine collagen is a form of collagen sourced from bone, skin, fins, and scales of fresh and saltwater fish, jellyfish, sponges, and things like octopus, squid, and prawn. Marine collagen is primarily made up of type 1. And according to the Journal of Applied Pharmaceutical Science, marine collagen sources have specific advantage over land animal sources. It is free of things like BSE, TSE, and FMD. It contains a high content of collagen. It's extremely environmentally friendly, has a lower body temperature than land animals, thereby aiding in greater absorption. A greater absorption is also due to its lower molecular weight. It's less significant when it comes to religious and ethical constraints, and there are only minor regulatory and quality control issues. So, in simple terms, unlike other protein sources that help build and sustain healthy muscle tissue due to a more balanced and complete amino acid profile, collagen is an excellent source of what are known as building blocks for functional material used to connect or make connective tissue for our skin, hair, nails, bones, joints, and organs. So, what makes collagen protein so unique? Number one, collagen protein displays a low indispensable amino acid profile. Number two, as a functional food, collagen is a source of physiologically active peptides and conditionally essential amino acids that have the potential to optimize health and address physiological needs posed by aging and everyday activity. 3, collagen has a unique amino acid profile because it's high in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These 3 amino acids comprise 50% of collagen, and the other 16 amino acids found in collagen make up the other 50%. The only amino acid that is missing in the essential amino acid category in collagen is tryptophan. 4, while proline and glycine are considered non-essential amino acids, they are also considered what's known as conditionally essential in times of illness, stress, and trauma. And number 5, this powerful trio of amino acids is only found in collagen protein and nowhere else in the edible world. Therefore, the lack of essential amino acids in the big picture is really quite irrelevant because of collagen's function and purpose. So, in conclusion, what most people consider to be collagen's greatest pitfall of being an incomplete protein is in fact its most significant attribute and what makes collagen such an outstandingly unique food. I'm Mike Stuchiner, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods. I hope this has been a good and educational video for you, and I'll see you next time.